guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Daniela and I do all things skincare, beauty and lifestyle. If today is your first time, please remember to subscribe, give this video a thumbs up because you are going to learn a lot. And if today is not your first time, returning subscriber, returning notifications, gang, you're welcome back to my channel. You're the real MVP. Thank you so much for coming back to watch another video. Today I'm going to be talking about body lotions that I think I wasted money on. And I'm going to be grading these body lotions in terms of how effective they are for me. Honestly, you want to watch this video to the end. I'm going to be talking about 5 body lotions that I've tried, best or worst, test or fail, whichever one you want to put it, whichever category you want to put it on, but those are my own categories. However, if I review this body lotion and it has been working excellently for you, please sis, do not discontinue because Eniola said this body lotion is not giving. This is just my opinion. All right, so without much further ado, let's just get right into the video. All right, guys, so let's begin with the Dove Nourishing Secrets. And I've tried the Dove avocado with calendula extract, and I've also tried this one with glowing ritual, the rice milk and all the other extracts and stuff. I've tried quite a lot under the Dove Nourishing Secrets range. I'm talking about body lotion now. Now let's break it down. This lotion does not have SPF. The texture is a bit too lightweight. That means that it doesn't lock in moisture all day. So it can moisturize your skin for the first 15 to 30 minutes when you apply the lotion on your skin. But when it comes to actually locking the moisture all day, it doesn't do that for me. Then another thing you need to consider when it comes to this body lotion is this. It's very, very affordable. I mean, I got the one I got, this particular one, a long time ago, and I got it for like 2005 for a whole, I think it was about 250 ml to 300 ml. I can't really remember right now, but it is very, very affordable. And this is something that is great for my skincare beginner queens. If you're just starting skincare, you don't know what to buy, you don't want to spend too much, you don't want to do trial and error that will result in waste of money, then the Dove Nourishing Secret is your best buy. Honestly, it doesn't cost much, it's affordable, it's pocket friendly. You can try many different ranges from the Nourishing Secrets range and just experiment and try out the one that you like. But this one in particular, the one with avocado and calendula extract, it didn't really give what it was supposed to give in my opinion. So I will give it a score of 65%. And I'm giving it 65% because apart from it being affordable, it does not lock in moisture. Then the so-called brightening that it is supposed to do, it doesn't really do much of brightening, in my own opinion. Actually, in my own opinion, if you want a brightening body lotion from the Dove Nourishing Secrets range, then go for the one with glowing ritual, the one with rice milk, carrots oil, all that. That does a bit of brightening. You can check out for that. It does a bit of brightening. Is it a best or a fail? I will leave that to you guys to actually judge. Let me know in the comment section if you think it's a very good body lotion. All right, guys, so let's talk about the next one. St. Ives. This is an OG for me and my sister especially because we grew up on this body lotion. From right to our teenage years, we were really, really on this body lotion. Now, this is the thing with this body lotion. It is lightweight also. The moisture does not last long. That's another thing. Let's talk about this thing. It's not sealing up the moisture and locking it up all day as much as I would love for it. It's good for normal skin. This is the difference between this one and the Dove Nourishing Secrets. It's good for normal skin. But if you're dry skin type, this body lotion it's not going to lock in any moisture for you. It's not going to give you that hydrating feel that you want to feel all day long. And also it has no SPF. Then it's not a brightening body lotion. But when it comes to collagen, renewing, repairing and stuff, I guess it does the trick when it comes to all that. Another thing when it comes to this particular body lotion brand is that you would always get the original. There are no adulterated versions of the St. Ives in the market. So that makes it a very good buy. You can go into any store and get an original St. Ives body lotion compared to Dove and all the other ones I'll be talking about in this video. And it is also affordable. And then for a whole 4,000 naira, you get at least, I think, 450 ml or 600 ml of product. Look at how big this jar is, in my opinion. It does the trick. But when it comes to the other things that I've talked about in terms of brightening, long-lasting moisturization, SPF, viscosity, that's when it comes to its ability to glide on the skin smoothly. It's not really doing that much for me when it comes to that department. But this is also another thing you need to consider when it comes to the same types body lotion. When it comes to maybe if you are fair, dark, caramel and stuff, I would recommend this body lotion for people who are caramel. If you are fair in complexion, you will not see anything with brightening. It doesn't do that. This is not the department for you, okay? All right. However, if your skin type is normal, combination, oily, this particular body lotion is one that you will particularly really enjoy. About the very next one, which is the Jergens moisturizing body lotion range, and I've tried the skin firming one with collagen and elastin. I've also tried the nourishing honey one with shea butter. Honestly, it was a bit confusing for me to choose which one out of the two actually does the trick the most for me. But when it comes to the Jergens body lotion, I think they are doing some things. They are giving some good things when it comes to this body lotion. Yes, but the first thing you need to know about the Jergens body lotion is, I don't like the fact that there's a Dubai version and there's a US version. Can we just have one single body lotion range that comes from one manufacturer that is not, it's a bit confusing. You're trying not to buy fake, but when you now have two versions of the same body lotion, you don't know which is really fake and which is really original. So I had a bit of confusion when it comes to the Jergens body lotion in particular, because they don't come from one line of manufacturing as a whole. They have different manufacturers. I don't know why. I don't work with Jergens. However, when it comes to moisturizing, thumbs up when it comes to moisturizing. This particular lotion actually glides on the skin easily. This particular lotion actually locks in moisture. I know this is the first time I'm mentioning that it locks in moisture. And then if you're also on the dry compartment, you can try the Jergens skin firming body lotion with collagen and elastin. It is really moisturizing and hydrating. I absolutely love it. And guess what? Another thing about this body lotion is the quantity. 600 ml for, I think I got it 4,500 naira the last time I checked. Guys, it's a lot. It's a lot of body lotion in just one jar. I used this particular jar for about 2 months or so, but did it give when it comes to the fairness, brightening and stuff? No. The Jergens nourishing honey and the one with skin firming, it does not really brighten. If you're trying to brighten up your skin, this is not the body lotion for you. But talk about evening out your skin tone, moisturizing your skin, viscosity, that's the ability to glide on the skin properly, penetration, how fast it absorbs into the skin, thumbs up in that compartment. And then it's not greasy. It does not make your skin feel sweaty, greasy and oily. Because I just want to use my body lotion without feeling like my skin is oily. I don't know about you. I want you to just let the body lotion sink into the skin without giving the skin that greasy feeling and stuff, in my own opinion. So I would give this body lotion, let me check my note, guys. I would give this body lotion 80%, because in that compartment and all the other things that I've talked about, they are doing well. The same types body lotion, I'll give the same types body lotion 75%. And let's just not say it's not try. And that is the almighty Nivea. I know you have probably seen their ad on my videos before, and that's because they are a very good brand. However, I feel like they're doing something when it comes to their marketing. They are not really targeting students, because I feel like they are the ones that can really afford their body lotions and actually give it a try and be consistent with it. When it comes to the Nivea body lotion, especially with the Nivea Even Radiance, this is the first body lotion that actually has SPF 15 for that matter. I think they've done a good job in that compartment of adding SPF to their body lotion. In terms of weight and texture, it's lightweight also. It does not lock in moisture all day. Yes, it doesn't. But when it comes to its ability to glide on the skin smoothly, it glides on the skin smoothly. The viscosity is also okay. I'll give it about 60 to 70% when it comes to viscosity. And that viscosity just means its ability to penetrate into your skin easily and just glide and stay on top of your skin surface. So really in that compartment, I think they are doing a fairly good job. However, when it comes to the so-called brightening that they claim to offer, the even and radiant and stuff, it's about 50% in that compartment. And honestly, I don't know. When I used the body lotion, I did not see the so-called brightening that I was trying to get and stuff. But when it comes to moisturizing, price point, very affordable, 2,500 naira, you can get a good Nivea body lotion. I know they have Perfect and Radiant now, they have Even and Radiant. there was natural fairness one time like that. They have a lot of ranges for you guys to try out, but their lotions in particular, this is my own take on it. It moisturizes, it does not lock in moisture all day, don't expect that. It is great for normal combination oily skin. If you are dry, do not get this body lotion because it's not going to seal up that moisture for you. And then when it comes to complexion types, that's caramel to dark complexion, thumbs up in this compartment. They're doing a very good job. However, if you are fair, you cannot, maybe not. It's 50-50% for me when it comes to the compartment of fairness. Okay, guys. So now let's talk about the one that has the cup. This is the lotion that has been taken and sweetening my body, the torturing me everywhere recently, and that is the Olay body lotion range. I've tried the Quench, I've tried the Olay 7-in-1 Total Effect body lotion. Honestly, they are the moisturizing masters. Let's give them a round of applause because they are doing a good job. And this is where for my dry skin queens and kings, if you're looking for a body lotion that will seal up your moisture all day, make your skin feel hydrated, moisturizing and stuff, then the Olay brand is the one you should go for. From their body wash to their body lotion to their different ranges and stuff, they have mastered moisturizing, in my opinion. They have. Honestly, you will not get it wrong if you try the Olay body lotion, especially if you are dry skin. If you're normal combination oily, you can also use this. Another thing with this body lotion is that it's not as lightweight in texture and in feel compared to the others. This one is a bit heavy, okay, and it has a tendency to maybe stay on the surface of your skin, which is why I just told you that it is especially formulated for dry skin types. The viscosity is also superb. It glides on the skin smoothly. It locks in moisture. Sis. This is important, especially if your skin is dry. I am repeating it again. You guys are always coming for me in the comment section asking me, Anela, when are you going to tell us this is my skin? Sis, listen to me. If your skin is dry, this is the body lotion for you. When it comes to the brightening of complexion and stuff, they are also doing some good things in that department. They are, because I know Olay has a brightening body wash, a brightening body lotion. That's the one with vitamin B3 and vitamin C. They have different ranges out there. They also have retinol infused in some of their body washes. They are doing some good things out there. Olay is really giving it their best shot. Honestly, if you've not tried the Olay brand, start with their body lotion. This one from Olay, the Quench with almond milk, is the one I'm currently using. I'm loving my skin. The hydration is superb. I like my skin feeling like, okay, it's not dry, it's not starved of moisture, and that does that for me. And I'm talking about up to 7 to 8 hours of hydration. Since that's a lot compared to the others. But the price point, it's a bit pricey. It's 6,500 naira for about 600 ml or 400 ml now. I'm not really sure. It's a bit pricey. So if you're looking for something really affordable, then look at the other body lotions that I've talked about. But for the Olay, it's a bit pricey. So you might want to consider that in case you're thinking of using it for a long period of time. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Let me know in the comment section which particular body lotion are you using currently, and let's grade the Olay body lotion. Of course, they scored a heavy 85%. 85% in the body lotion compartment. 85%. They are doing some really good things. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Let me know in the comment section which lotion are you using currently, because I talked about a lot and I reviewed a lot, and I just decided that let us grade it today. Let us give them percentages. Let us know the ones that are actually delivering, the one that is worth your coins. And I hope I was able to offer a very good guide for you. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll talk to you guys in the very next one. Bye guys.